All right, well, it's been a while since I posted any woodworking videos. Life's been kind of up and down here, losing my job and trying to find one. In the meantime, I've been keeping myself busy. This is Ryan's restoration project here for his chairs on that table, if you remember, that I did. Here's 3 of the chairs that I have finally got totally stripped down. And so next, probably tomorrow, clean them down and start putting coats of stain on them, on the seats and on the chairs, and then try to find that last bucket that's got the braces and screws in it and try to clean up the screws. And then after that, reassemble them and get them back to Ryan and Jocelyn so they can enjoy more seating at their table. So until then, see you later.